Good afternoon. If you're not really busy this Sunday afternoon and you got time, you might want to take advantage of these last minute deals at Harbor Freight. 35% off of Icon. The 1/4 inch sockets, shallow, metric, or SAE, normally $27.99 are going to be $18.70. The 1/4 inch in deep or SAE, normally $37.99, are running only $24.70. Pretty good deal. The 3/8 shallow are normally $34.99. They're going to be $22.74 in SAE or metric. The 3/8 deep are running $29.24, down from $44.99. Great deal. The 1/2 inch shallow, normally $52.99, are down to $34.44. Beat that. How about the deep wells? They're normally $59.99, down to $38.99. Then they have 30% off on their jack stands. For example, the Pittsburgh 3-ton, normally $54.99, down to $38.49, and the 3-ton Daytona, $79.99, down to $56.00. And for the super heavy duty, they got the 12-ton, normally $159.99, down to $111.99, and the big boy 22-ton, normally $209.99, down to $146.99. Pretty hard to beat, guys. They're also running 30% off on bottle jacks. Here's a couple let's take a look at. They got the 4-ton, normally $29.99, down to $20.99. The 12-ton, sitting at $39.99, down to $27.99. The 20-ton, $59.99, all the way down to $41.99. And the big boy, 30-ton, $119.99, down to $83.99. In addition to that, they have the Get a Tool Free with the battery starter set. And along with this, there's plenty of other available deals. I didn't dare try to list them all, but there's plenty of deals if you'll shop this evening. Y'all have a good day. Hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this.